Close your eyes. Here comes your last surprise. Okay. Open up.
Open your eyes.
Ponla en la mesa, ma. Está bien. Open your eyes, Kenji.
Wow!
It's a... What is it, Ken?
Bravo!
What is it? It's a scooter, buddy. Yes, buddy. Are you really happy? You're too silent. You're so happy. Careful, don't make it fall. Tomorrow you can ride it out in the park. Stand up so you can see it better. Be careful though. Woo-hoo! Yeah. Don't ride on the table though. Alright, get down now. You can ride it down here on the floor. Get down. Thank you, Jesus. That's from Auntie